Hello, my amazing students. Welcome to day 3 of our 15 days English speaking challenge. First, let me say this. You are amazing. You have already completed 2 full days of practice. That means you are building a habit, and habits are what make people successful. Before we begin, I want you to close your eyes for a moment and imagine something. Imagine your future, the life you dream about. What do you see? Maybe you see yourself speaking English fluently with confidence. Maybe you see yourself getting a better job, traveling to another country, making new friends, or simply feeling proud of yourself. Let me tell you something important. Your dreams are possible. They are not just wishes, they are seeds. And every time you practice English, every sentence you speak, you are watering that seed. Slowly it will grow, and one day it will become your reality. Maybe your dream is different. Maybe it's education. Maybe it's career. Maybe it's freedom. But one thing is the same. Your English will help you reach it. Students, listen to me carefully. English is not just about grammar. English is not just about exams. English is about opening doors. Doors to opportunities. Doors to confidence. Doors to the life you want. And today, we are going to practice sentences that are not just about shopping or daily routine. Today, we are practicing sentences of power. Sentences about your dreams, inspiration, and your future. When you say these sentences, you are not only practicing English, you are also declaring your goals. You are speaking your future into existence. But let's be honest, sometimes when we talk about dreams, people laugh at us, right? Maybe your family or friends say, "Oh, you can't do that," or "That's too big for you." Let me tell you a little gossip about life. People laugh not because you can't do it, but because they are afraid you will actually do it. They are afraid to dream big themselves, so they tell you not to dream. But we are different here. This challenge is not just about English. It's about courage. Together, we will practice and we will believe in ourselves. So when you repeat these sentences today, I want you to repeat them not only with your mouth, but with your heart. So, before we start, take a deep breath. Smile, believe in yourself, say to yourself, "I can do this. I will do this. I am doing this." Now, let's begin today's shadowing practice together. Remember, shadowing is to listen, repeat, speak clearly and loudly. Are you ready? Say it with me. Yes, I am ready. Perfect. Let's begin our shadowing practice for day 3. Repeat each sentence after me. I'll guide you with energy. Sentence 1. I have a dream. I have a dream. Well done. Sentence 2. My dream is to speak English fluently. My dream is to speak English fluently. Sentence 3. I believe I can achieve my goals. I believe I can achieve my goals. Great energy. Keep going. Sentence 4. The future is bright for me. The future is bright for me. Sentence 5. I will not give up. I will not give up. Excellent! Strong voice. Sentence 6. Every day I am improving. Every day I am improving. Sentence 7. My future is full of opportunities. My future is full of opportunities. Amazing! You sound confident. Sentence 8. I will work hard for my dreams. Repeat. I will work hard for my dreams. Sentence 9. I see myself successful. I see myself successful. Sentence 10. I am proud of myself. I am proud of myself. Yes, that's the spirit. Sentence 11. One day I will travel the world. One day I will travel the world. Sentence 12. My dreams give me energy. Repeat. My dreams give me energy. Sentence 13. I believe in my future. I believe in my future. Fantastic! You are doing great. Sentence 14. I can speak with confidence. I can speak with confidence. Sentence 15. I will keep practicing every day. I will keep practicing every day. Wow, you sound more fluent already. Sentence 16. My future is in my hands. Repeat. My future is in my hands. Sentence 17. I am ready for success. I am ready for success. Sentence 18. I will make my dreams real. I will make my dreams real. Brilliant! Stay strong. Sentence 19. Every small step counts. Every small step counts. Sentence 20. I am moving forward with courage. I am moving forward with courage. You've done 20 sentences. Amazing progress. Students, you have already practiced 20 powerful sentences. Look at you. You are speaking about your dreams in English. Do you realize what this means? You are not only learning English, you are creating your future. This is the power of shadowing. You listen, you repeat, you believe. Slowly, English becomes a natural part of you. So keep going. Don't stop now, you're doing incredible. Sentence 21. My dreams push me forward. Repeat. My dreams push me forward. Sentence 22. I am stronger than my fears. I am stronger than my fears. Wonderful! Sentence 23. The future starts today. The future starts today. Sentence 24. I will use English in my dream job. I will use English in my dream job. Sentence 25. I can inspire others. I can inspire others. Amazing energy. Sentence 26. Nothing can stop me now. Nothing can stop me now. Sentence 27. I am building my future every day. I am building my future every day. Sentence 28. I believe in my dreams deeply. I believe in my dreams deeply. Fantastic flow. Sentence 29. One day I will look back and smile. Repeat. One day I will look back and smile. Sentence 30. My future is full of happiness and success. My future is full of happiness and success. Wow, you did it! Wonderful job, my friends! You have now completed day 3 of our English speaking challenge. You spoke 30 beautiful, powerful sentences about dreams, inspiration, and the future. Take a moment, breathe, and think about what you just did. You didn't only practice English. You spoke words that carry energy, hope, and light. You trained your tongue, your ears, and your brain, and you also trained your heart. Remember this: when you repeat positive sentences every day, you are not only improving your English, you are also improving your life. English will open doors for you, doors to better jobs, travel, friendships, and opportunities you can't even imagine yet. But here's the most important part: your dreams are possible. Yes, your dreams. Whether your dream is to study abroad, to work in an international company, to speak with confidence, or simply to feel proud of yourself when you talk, it is possible. And today you proved that you are serious about your future. Now, I want you to take one more action. Go to the comments section right now and write this sentence: "My dreams are possible and I will make them real." Write it in the comments, because when you write your dreams, you give them more power. You tell the world and you tell yourself that you are ready. And don't forget, this is only day 3. We still have 12 more days together in this challenge. Imagine how confident, how strong, and how fluent you will feel after day 15. Step by step, you are building a new version of yourself. So please, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's practice. Day 4 is waiting for you, and it will be another exciting step in your journey. Be proud of yourself today. Smile and say with me one last time: I believe in my future. My dreams are possible. See you tomorrow. Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep believing. Your future is calling you.